Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. Now I hope you can hear me. I am not wearing my microphone today because I got a new phone. I finally upgraded my iPhone and now I can't use this doohickey to plug it into my phone like I normally did because my new phone is a USB-C cord and this is not. This is a lightning cord. So until I order a new cord, I don't have a microphone. So I really hope you can hear me loud and clear like you normally would. Okay, let me show you guys the dried results of last painting. Look at this. Again, I'm not a green fan at all, but I mean, come on, look at this. Look at the shimmer from the Pearl Cream by Arteza. I am so excited about this piece. Now, I mean, there is a little gold looking color in there. That's obviously from the Pearl Arteza, one of the greens that I used. I wish it kind of wasn't there, but whatever, it is what it is. I still am really loving this dark green border around the piece. But yeah, it looks so good. I love the way it turned out. And I love the shimmer, the pearl shimmer from the Pearl Cream. So yeah, there you have it. It's an 11 by 24 inch. Available for purchase for anyone who is interested. Calendars still up for sale. If you want a 2025 calendar, you can email me. It's got 12 months and 12 prints of my artwork in the calendar. And don't forget, I will be in Dallas, Texas, March 14th to 16th for the Fluid Art Experience. If you want to come and see me in Dallas, Texas, you can check the website. The link is in the description below, or you can go to fluidartexperience.com. And then, of course, Spokane, Washington. I'll be there June 6th to 9th. If you want information on that event, the link and the website is in the description below the video. All right, let's get started. I'm doing red today, so let me tell you what colors I'm using today. So of course, we've got the gray, sticking with the gray series, which is a mix of titanium white and oxide black by Amsterdam. And then my red is actually Carmine by Amsterdam. But what I did was I mixed up the Carmine and then I added one pea-sized drop, little pea-sized drop of oxide black, just to make it darker. It was a little too bright red for me. So I did add one pea-sized drop of black, okay? And then here are my colors. And before I tell you the colors, if you want to know how I mix my paints, I mix them with water and Floetrol. And if you want ratios and a tutorial on how to mix my paints, you can go to video number 434. I will link it up here at the top for you. Full tutorial on how I mix my paints. Now, it was hard finding a bunch of red colors, especially ones that have a shimmer or a metallic or an iridescent to them, okay? I didn't have many to choose from. So we're gonna start off with Alizarian Crimson Hue by Golden. I don't even know where I got this color from, but I happened to see this bottle down here and I thought, oh, okay, looks good. So we've got that color. Then I've got Pyrole Red Deep by Amsterdam, but the Expert series of Amsterdam. Then I have Pearl Red by Amsterdam. Then I have Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. So that is a nice deep red there. Then I've got Pearl Cream by Arteza. And then topping it off, I've got Carmine Deep Expert series by Amsterdam. So those are my colors. Now, I literally just put this one in the mix because what I had in its place was Pearl Strawberry Red by Arteza, but it doesn't really look strawberry-ish or red-ish to me. It actually kind of looks like a copper or like a kind of coppery browns color. I don't know. So I ended up taking it out. I don't know. It just didn't work. So these are the colors I'm going to use. And we'll see what happens with the red. There's some nice dark colors in here, plus the pearls. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded, bubbles have been popped, and there were so many bubbles in the gray because I just mixed that color earlier, the whole jug of it, and I shook it like crazy. So there was like a good jillion air bubbles. Now, would it be, oh, there's a goober coming out of here. Look at that. Good thing that didn't fall in my painting. But yeah, so, I mean, ideally it's great to, if you could mix paint and let it sit for a couple hours, but I ain't got time for that. Who's got time for that? I don't have time for anything. I'm so busy, it's not even funny. But yeah, anywho, oh, you guys are watching this on Tuesday, and yesterday, Monday, was Thanksgiving for us Canadians here. So happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody in Canada who celebrates had a good Thanksgiving. We did. Sunday, I went to Anthony's family for Thanksgiving lunch. And then, oh, that was Holbein. That might take over. And then yesterday we went down to Toronto to see my family. And we had a huge Thanksgiving feast. My mom goes overboard as usual. Turkey, stuffing, three types of stuffing, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes. She even made a pot roast, 2 types of gravies. There's Caesar salad. My dad makes homemade Caesar salad dressing, so it's homemade stuff. But yeah, it's quite crazy. Okay, I was like, wait, what is this? That's Amsterdam, so I'm okay with that. That's a lot of paint on here, folks. Anywho, but yeah, that was a lot of food. So full, but so good. It's nice to go down and see family from time to time. We don't get to do it often because they're so far away. It's a 2.5, sometimes 3-hour drive, depending on the traffic. But yeah. Okay, yeah, so I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving here in Canada. All right. Let's blow this out. Wow, this is interesting. Again, with the really deep red border around the top, just like I had on the green. Now I'm wondering if I should blow this a little bit out with my mouth because it's a little too straight for my liking. There was so much red paint when I was blowing this out. I was like, oh my gosh, I overdid it on the red paint there. So let me blow some of these out and just kind of bump them out. That's better. There's a lot of red paint there. I could just see it. There's so much red paint there, but it is what it is. Blow some of that over. It's looking good. Oh, see, I was worried about this gray spot here, but clearly it's moving its way down as I speak. Okay, don't touch anything. Yeah, I really extra flooded this a lot, but that's okay. Not sure I like that white speckle there, so I'm gonna get rid of it. All right, let's see. I think that is all. Wow, and this is gonna dry so much darker. So I'm really interested to see how this dries. All right, I'm gonna fix up my edges and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, so before I show you guys the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and scrape those drips. Super important. Okay, scrape the drips, all 4 sides. Oh gosh, was I even in camera? All 4 sides. Come back 10 minutes later and then do it again. All right, let's see. There's so many cells in this. So many cells. Look at that cluster. So pretty. I love this. Everything goes good with gray. I don't care what anybody says. It could be like a really yucky brown and yet it's still gonna go good with gray. It just really works. The question is, how much shimmer is it going to have? Let's see. All right, if you can hear lawnmowers outside, I apologize. The crew, oh, now he's weed whacking. Oh, there's definitely shimmer in here. Look at that. Oh, I apologize for the noise if you can hear that. He's in my backyard weed whacking and I can hear the lawnmower too. But there's definitely shimmer, and then there's that big blob of pearl white. So there's definitely gonna be a lot going on when this dries. 100%. This is really gonna shine. My camera's not focusing. And there you have it, everybody. Would love to know what you guys think about it in the comments below. It is available for purchase. If anyone is interested, you know what to do. Email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. Yes, that is it for me for now. Check out all the information you need in the description below. There's discounts, there's links to those classes I was telling you about. So if you need any of that information, check the description below. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.